Good evening, and welcome to the 2021 Virtual Illinois Innovation Prize and Fiddler Innovation Fellowship Award Ceremony. This session is being recorded and will be shared publicly in the future. The session is also being broadcast live through YouTube and on our TEC website. Hello, my name is Andy Singer, and I'm the Faculty Fellow for Research, Innovation, and Entrepreneurship Strategies in the Office of the Vice Chancellor for Research and Innovation at the University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign. Thank you for joining us tonight. We're virtually tuned in to recognize the work of our truly innovative, inspirational, and creative students. We have two award winners to announce. The $20,000 Illinois Innovation Prize, awarded annually to an incredibly creative and innovative student who's demonstrated their ability to foster a positive societal impact. Since 2007, more than $300,000 have been awarded to student innovators through our Illinois Innovation Awards. And some of these students have created technologies ranging from harvesting the electricity of the beating human heart to mobile bio-powered robots and 3D lighting and visualization projection technology in some of the most innovative startup companies across the country and around the world. And we will also announce the winner of the Fiddler Innovation Fellowship Award. This $10,000 award supports innovations that address cultural or global challenges that incorporate creativity, the arts, and design and technology into interdisciplinary solutions. The Fiddler Innovation Fellowship is part of an endowment from Jerry Fiddler and Melissa Alden to the University of Illinois in support of the Emerging Digital Research and Education in Arts Media, eDream Institute, which is based in the National Center for Supercomputing Applications, or NCSA. We're happy to see an IIP finalist receive the Fiddler Innovation Fellowship. Both awards support and celebrate innovation that could improve the world around us. I'm delighted to announce the 2021 Illinois Innovation Award finalists. We have 5 this year. Ariana Baru, first-year medical student, Carle Illinois College of Medicine. Ariana aspires to be a physician innovator who solves health disparities and improves patients' quality of life. She's the co-founder of Protect Case CKD, a chronic kidney disease, or CKD, pre-screening program that aims to reduce racial disparities in renal care and health expenditures in CKD care. African Americans are 3.5 times more likely to reach end-stage CKD compared to white counterparts, and are less likely to know that they have CKD. Ariana has developed a CKD pre-screening kit that includes urine testing strips and educational materials to connect users to local and affordable healthcare resources. Ariana aims to offer marginalized patients an economical way to assess CKD risk for early diagnosis and treatment. She plans to partner with food banks, shelters, and other social programs to distribute kits to communities that need it most. Ariana has also co-founded Access Med, a healthcare pre-incubator that aims to provide a launchpad for students interested in advancing medicine and grow a collaborative community of healthcare entrepreneurs across campus. Shawnette Nehr Sharma, second-year medical student, Carle Illinois College of Medicine. Shawnette is dedicated to applying technology and engineering to solve complex healthcare problems affecting a diverse global population. He's developed Paperometer, a low-cost and environmentally friendly version of the incentive spirometer, a handheld breathing tube. Made of paper, Paperometer is a respiratory rehabilitation device for patients with reduced lung function, including coronavirus-related pulmonary symptoms. Respiratory disease is a leading cause of death and disability globally, with over 1 billion people suffering from illnesses like COPD, pneumonia, and COVID-19. Shawnette partnered with Carle Illinois College of Medicine's Health Maker Lab, the Department of Bioengineering, Carle Foundation Hospital, and iMade, an RSO, to prototype, publish, and test his device for distribution to low resource settings. He also helped to address the PPE shortage during the pandemic by creating a reusable respiratory mask with user-friendly instruction guide. Shawnette is leading an institutional review board, IRB approved study to identify retinal biomarkers for Alzheimer's disease, the primary cause of dementia affecting 47 million people worldwide. Maha Alafif, graduate student, bioengineering, Granger College of Engineering. Maha's research work is focused on the use of translational bioengineering approaches to detect genetic materials of pathogens such as SARS-CoV-2, with the overarching goal of offering a rapid and accurate test that can be widely deployed. She's developed an inexpensive yet highly accurate nucleic acid-based test for COVID-19 diagnosis with sample to assay time of less than 5 minutes, requiring no RNA isolation or nucleic acid amplification. The technology was recently licensed for commercialization to RNA Disease Diagnostics Incorporated, an early-stage biotech technology company. The test will support RNA disease diagnostics efforts to develop and manufacture proprietary molecular disease diagnostic testing kits, enabling the company to quickly and accurately detect multiple infectious diseases, helping to lead the prevention of their transmission and spread. Maha has designed, developed, fabricated, and provisionally patented several technologies responding to the COVID-19 pandemic. Homa Khosravian, graduate student, computer science, Granger College of Engineering. Homa is addressing the problem of keeping healthcare providers, patients with compromised immune systems, and emergency vehicle drivers safe during the pandemic. She's developing a non-emergency autonomous vehicle-based service. The design of the autonomous car will help keep patients isolated from other people and safe during and after the pandemic. She's also working on a design that will take into consideration the health condition of the rider and provide maximum comfort during transit or hospital visits. According to Homa, the key is to create a mapping between vehicle dynamics, road surface condition, and patient's pain level to effectively plan the vehicle motion. A cost-effective and safe approach to find this mapping is to use a driving simulator to replicate the real world and use EEG sensors to measure the patient's comfort levels. Homa is hoping to leverage a multidisciplinary approach involving expertise from robotics, human-computer interaction, medical sciences, and mechanical engineering to develop the autonomous car. Gabe Price, graduate student, School of Integrative Biology, Liberal Arts and Sciences. Gabe is the founder of Earnest Earth Agriculture, a company that is helping farmers solve the problem of solid waste management by transforming harmful waste into safe, nutrient-rich biofertilizer. Gabe has developed, fabricated, and patented a new bioreactor system to improve agricultural sustainability by improving waste management practices directly on farms. Improper agriculture waste management accounts for 15% of greenhouse gas emissions created annually in the United States. Gabe's innovation can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions. As a PhD candidate, his research work is focused on the use of microorganisms to suppress pathogens in crops, with the hope to replace chemical and synthetic pesticides. Gabe believes that addressing plant pathogen infection in crops will improve food security and enhance crop yield. Pathogens are responsible for up to 40% of the losses in the crop yield globally. He strongly believes that true innovations and innovators continue to push themselves and develop countless ideas into creations that can benefit humanity. We will first announce the winner of the Fiddler Innovation Fellowship Award for $10,000. I'd like to introduce and thank Donna Cox, Director of Illinois eDream Institute and Chief Scholar at the NCSA and Professor in the School of Art and Design at the University of Illinois.
Thank you, Andy. I'm pleased to make this announcement on behalf of the Fiddler Innovation Endowment, which supports outstanding creative cross-disciplinary students. The 2021 Fiddler Innovation Fellowship Award winner is Ariana Baru, first-year medical student, Carle, Illinois College of Medicine. Congratulations, Ariana. Would you like to say a few words?
Thank you so much. I'm truly honored and humbled to receive this prize, especially considering Shawnette, Maha, Gabe, Homa, like they're all amazing, really inspiring innovators. So thank you so much to Dr. Ahmad for nominating me for this award, and for Dr. Samuel Hamner, my mentor from Cala Health, really supporting me throughout this application process and just inspiring me to reach beyond what I might think I'm possible and capable of. Family, friends, mentors, teachers have all played an immense role in encouraging me to pursue my dream to become a physician innovator. So I'm really looking forward to using this award to work with my Protect team to manufacture and distribute our kits to help marginalized patients in our community to get earlier treatment for chronic kidney disease. And then also really committing to supporting healthcare innovators at UAUC through Access Med. So thank you so much. I'm really honored, and I look forward to keeping you guys updated on how I do.
Thank you, Donna, and thank you, Ariana. We're excited to see what you'll do with this important work and how Access Med gets integrated into the ecosystem here. We will now announce the winner of the $20,000 Illinois Innovation Prize. The winner this year is Maha Alafif, graduate student, bioengineering, Granger College of Engineering. Congratulations, Maha. Would you like to say a few words?
Oh, sorry, the camera was not working. I'm really happy for receiving this. I was not expecting this. I'm really honored. I would like to thank like the Technology Entrepreneur Center, University of Illinois, and everyone helping organizing this event. You know, COVID-19 was declared as a global pandemic last year, with millions of people died because of COVID. And a lot of people were suffering from the consequences of COVID-19. I can't wait to see the product which we developed in the market to help in the rapid diagnosis of COVID-19 to save millions of lives. And also, COVID-19 is not the first global pandemic and will not be the last. And our technology will be a universal platform which can help in rapidly diagnosing any future emerging disease. I would like to thank the person who without him, this success will not be possible. My advisor, Professor Dipanjan Pan, for all the help and support and guidance. I'd like also to thank my colleagues, Dr. Moitra, Ketin Dige, and Nevada. I also would like to thank my family, my parents, my mom and dad, my sister and my brothers, and also my sister-in-law for all the support and help. Really thank you. And I hope to do more and more in the future. Thank you.
Wonderful. Congratulations again to all of these remarkable students. I want to say thank you to the Granger College of Engineering for continuing to fund this annual award. And thank you to Donna J. Cox and also to Jerry Fiddler and Melissa Alden for the endowment to the University of Illinois in support of the Emerging Digital Research and Education in Arts Media eDream Institute, which is based at the National Center for Supercomputing Applications. Thank you to those who nominated deserving students for these awards. And also thank you to the online and interview judging committees for their hard work in selecting these finalists and the winners. Thank you to the TEC team for their work in organizing this program and event. And thank you to these amazing students, and congratulations once again to all of the finalists. If you're able, Please unmute and let's all give a round of applause to all of our finalists. Thank you again for joining us tonight and celebrating these amazing Illinois innovators.